function named Build Bridge is in your workspace. All of the code you need to cross the river is built right in. Snap the small, green Build Bridge function block into your workspace twice to fix the path and get the player to the redstone torch.